Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to practice more than 50 daily use English sentence. So if you want to speak English, watch the video till the end and like this video and subscribe our channel. Earlier the name of our channel was The Knowledge Kids. Now it has become The Knowledge Treasure. लड़का स्कूल में अनुपस्थित था. The boy was absent from school. The boy was absent from school. आपको धूम्रपान से बचना चाहिए. You must refrain from smoking. You must refrain from smoking. मेरे चाचा आसाम से आए हैं. My uncle has come from Assam. My uncle has come from Assam. वह मुझे वहां जाने से रोकता है. He stops me from going there. He stops me from going there. उसकी कंपनी दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी उन्नति कर रही है. His company is progressing by leaps and bounds. His company is progressing by leaps and bounds. मेरे पिताजी मेरे साथ थे. I was accompanied by my father. I was accompanied by my father. इस खबर से घबराएं नहीं. Please don't get disturbed by this news. Please don't get disturbed by this news. मेरी कहानी सुनकर उसका बड़ा मनोरंजन हुआ. He was highly amused by my story. He was highly amused by my story. यह पैकेट सोमवार तक मुंबई पहुंच जाना चाहिए. This packet should reach Mumbai by Monday. This packet should reach Mumbai by Monday. तुम दूसरों से व्यवहार करना नहीं जानते. You don't know how to deal with others. You don't know how to deal with others. हमें अंग्रेजी भाषा से परिचित होना चाहिए. We should be acquainted with my English language. We should be acquainted with my English language. वह चित्रकला की प्रतिभा से संपन्न था. He was gifted with a talent for painting. He was gifted with a talent for painting. हम उसके व्यवहार से उकता गए. We got fed up with his behavior. We got fed up with his behavior. मेरा अधिकारी मुझ पर मेहरबान है. My boss was pleased with me. My boss was pleased with me. वह अपने काम में तल्लीन था. He was busy in his work. He was busy in his work. शीला एक कान से बहरी है. Sheila is deaf in one ear. Sheila is deaf in one ear. तुम्हें अपने व्यवहार में नम्र होना चाहिए. You must be polite in your behavior. You must be polite in your behavior. वह संगीत में दक्ष है. He is well versed music. He is well versed music. उसे सफलता का पूरा भरोसा था. He was sure of success. He was sure of success. वह अपनी कमजोरी को पूरी तरह जानता है. He is fully aware of his weakness. He is fully aware of his weakness. उसे आम बहुत भाते हैं. He is fond of mangoes. He is fond of mangoes. उसे देखकर मुझे उसके भाई की याद आती है. He reminds me of his brother. He reminds me of his brother. यह मेरे लिए बड़े सम्मान की बात है. It's a matter of great honor for me. It's a matter of great honor for me. क्या वह परीक्षा के लिए तैयारी कर रही है? Is she preparing for the test? Is she preparing for the test? मैं हमेशा उसका ख्याल रखता हूँ. I always care for him. I always care for him. उसने अपने दुर्व्यवहार के लिए मुझसे क्षमा मांगी. He apologized to me for his misbehavior. He apologized to me for his misbehavior. उसे पैसे का हिसाब देना होगा. He will have to account for the money. He will have to account for the money. वह धूम्रपान का आदी हो गया. He is addicted to smoking. He is addicted to smoking. उसने नियमों के विरुद्ध आचरण किया. He acted contrary to the rules. He acted contrary to the rules. कुछ लोग स्वास्थ्य की हानि करके पैसा कमाते हैं. Some people prefer wealth to health. Some people prefer wealth to health. उसने मामला उच्च अधिकारियों के सामने रख दिया. He referred the matter to the higher authorities. He referred the matter to the higher authorities. पुलिस ने मामले की जांच पड़ताल की. The police inquired into the matter. The police inquired into the matter. हमने अपनी पुस्तकें अपने बस्तों में डाली. We put our books into our bags. We put our books into our bags. वह कमरे में गया. He went into the room. He went into the room. मैं तुम्हारे शत्रुओं के विरुद्ध तुम्हें सदा चेतता हूँ. I always warn you against your enemies. I always warn you against your enemies. डॉक्टर ने उसे बहुत अधिक काम करने के विरुद्ध चेतावनी दी. The doctor warned him against working too hard. The doctor warned him against working too hard. उसकी आलोचना तथ्यों पर आधारित नहीं है. His criticism is not based on facts. His criticism is not based on facts. आप वहां जाने पर क्यों तुले हुए हो? Why are you bent on going there? Why are you bent on going there? हम उस पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. We cannot rely on him. We cannot rely on him. बर्फ सड़क पर फैली है. Snow is scattered over the road. Snow is scattered over the road. पुल नदी के ऊपर है. The bridge is over the river. The bridge is over the river. माँ अपने लड़के के स्वास्थ्य के बारे में चिंतित है. The mother is worried about her son's health. The mother is worried about her son's health. वह सीमा के बारे में पूछ रही थी. She was inquiring about Seema. She was inquiring about Seema. मैं जाने ही वाला था. I was about to go. I was about to go. वह कठिन परिश्रम के फलस्वरूप सफल हुआ. He succeeded by dint of hard work. He succeeded by dint of hard work. हमें अपने मित्रों की भलाई में रहना चाहिए. We should act in favor of our friends. We should act in favor of our friends. हमें जीने के लिए काम करना होगा. We must work in order to live. We must work in order to live. उसे मीटिंग के बीच में से अचानक जाना पड़ा. He had to leave suddenly in the midst of meeting. He had to leave suddenly in the midst of meeting. Thanks for watching.